In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage permissions in Zoho CRM for users. To get started, log into Zoho CRM using an administrator account. This is important because permission settings are usually only available to users with admin level access. Once you're signed in, make sure you're on the main Zoho CRM dashboard so you can easily navigate to the settings area. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the setup icon, which looks like a gear. This is where Zoho CRM stores the main configuration options for your account, including user access, customization, and security settings. If you're new to Zoho CRM, this section is essentially the control center for managing how your workspace operates. From the setup area, find the security control section. Inside that section, select Profiles. Profiles in Zoho CRM are used to define what a group of users can and cannot do within the system. This means that instead of adjusting permissions one person at a time, you can manage access more efficiently by updating the profile assigned to those users. Once you're in the Profiles area, select the profile assigned to the users you want to manage. Be careful to choose the correct one, since any changes you make here can affect multiple users at once. This is especially helpful if your team members share the same role or responsibilities, because updating one profile can streamline access across the board. After opening the profile, you'll see a range of permissions available for that profile. These permissions control what users are allowed to view, edit, create, delete, or access within Zoho CRM. Take a moment to review them carefully so you understand exactly what level of access is currently in place. Beside each permission, you'll find a toggle. Click the toggle to enable or disable the permissions you need. Turning a permission on will allow users with that profile to use that feature, while turning it off will restrict access. As a best practice, only grant the permissions users truly need for their work. This helps keep your CRM more secure and reduces the chance of accidental changes. As you make these adjustments, keep in mind that changes are saved automatically. That means you don't need to look for a separate save button, but it also means your updates take effect right away, so it's a good idea to review each change as you go. And that's it. That's how to manage permissions in Zoho CRM for users.